Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete messages on Instagram. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app, click on Messenger, then click someone and press and swipe left, tap on three dot option, click delete, just click. Remove this chat from your inbox, just normally tap on remove, then delete your all messages. Okay, search this person, okay, then all delete your conversation. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.